Yo everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do the reactions that you beautiful TikTok Somali girl. They are really famous in Somalia. This is a TikTok star. They are doing the amazing video from TikTok. If you really like this video, so make sure subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. If you are watching a reaction video, my name is Na. So don't forget to share and subscribe and like. Okay, so let's check out and don't forget to share. Oh. Oh wow, Somali TikTok. Come on.
عشقا إدي ويا داوعي سوا كرس أضبانا دايكارا حكا بقان بكيجي دبانا شعركو ما دبتا ما دبتا
هذا قرباها قبني آدي نفتنكو أويسا.
Wow, I like this girl. He's so cute and beautiful. Wow. Wow, wow. It's really amazing TikTok channel. This is a between two famous Somali girls. This is a two famous Somali TikTok girls. It's really amazing video. If you really like this video, so make sure you subscribe my channel. I'm your Indian friend. I really enjoy Somali TikTok. So must subscribe. So take care and bye bye.